Hi everyone, this is Pamela and welcome to my channel. So we are going to continue with the series where we have to remember that in order to be successful with our goals and the ones that we set, we need to be organized, but most importantly, be consistent and be congruent with the fact that we need to accomplish with the activities that we set for ourselves. So if you want to know more, just stay in the video. So number one, prioritize your goals. Focus on what's most important. It's easy to become scattered if you try to achieve too much at once. Focus on a few key goals at a time, starting with the ones that will have the greatest positive impact in your life. Evaluate trade-off. Some goals may conflict with others. For example, pursuing a demanding career goal might impact in your personal life. Be clear about what you're willing to sacrifice and what's most important. Number two, create an action plan. This one is really necessary, and daily or weekly actions are really important. For example, outline the specific actions you need to take on a daily or weekly basis to reach your goal. These small, consistent actions add up over time, believe me. Visualize your path. Use tools like to-do lists, planners, or digital apps to track your actions. This will help you stay organized and focused. Number three, stay accountable. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use a tracking app to monitor your progress. Seeing how far you've come is motivating and help you adjust your plan if needed. Share with others. Telling a friend, mentor, or accountability partner about your goals can keep you motivated. Regular check-ins with someone else can create external accountability. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and reward yourself for completing small steps. This keeps your energy high and reinforces your motivation. Number four, be flexible and adaptable. Embrace setbacks. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. Instead of feeling discouraged, look at failures as learning opportunity. And lastly, visualize success. Visualizing yourself achieving your goals can help boost motivation. Imagine how you feel and what life will be like once you reach your goal. This can make the goal feel more real and within your reach. And remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. A plan is necessary for knowing how and when you're going to be able to achieve that goal, which means that you are going to perceive that goal as reachable. So if you like the video, I would like you to subscribe into my channel, to give me a like, and especially to share it to somebody that you think that might actually need this. And as I always say, I do this with all my heart, and see you the next time. Bye bye.